I'm delighted to be here on time at 12 o'clock. I was planning to reach Hyderabad yesterday. But it so happened, our Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs was getting postponed each time by half an hour, 45 minutes. It was in fact postponed by 3 times. And I had to cancel my 3 flights. With the result, I had to come by this morning flight. I'm happy I came here. I considered Dr. Mahipal Sachdevji one of the best people in this field, not only at the national level, but at the global level. It's not easy for one person to be a brilliant physician, brilliant surgeon, and a brilliant organizer. At the end of the day, one man, however dazzlingly brilliant, can do just so much. He has the organizational talent of utilizing the services of many other scientists. I just read out the names of people, some of whom are here fortunately with us. I therefore recognize him as a brilliant organizer. Shivraj Patilji and I were there when he got the first center inaugurated in Delhi. I was also then Minister for Urban Development. I consider him the best. Therefore, I consulted him. I myself received treatment from him. I got my cataract surgery done by him. Dr. Alka Sachdevji is the real inspiration behind him. She is a doctor. I think she provides not only the inspiration, she also offers a lot of perspiration. Works around the clock, and while doing so, there are attention to every patient and humanistic. They together personify patient-centric values. Whether you are an engineer or a politician or a doctor, if you are too successful in your field, you tend to become insensitive. On the day a professional gets insensitive to the point of being jaded, that day you should choose to retire. Each patient must be looked at as though he is the first person that's being looked at. That is as special as anybody else. I found these virtues in the approach of Dr. Sachdevji. We all know that eye is the most important organ for each one of us. As is said in Sanskrit, Nayanam Pradhanam. In Hyderabad, we have had this tradition, eye specialists offering services in rural areas. Dr. Shiva Reddy, under whom Dr. Gangadhar Reddy used to work, Lions Club, all these people have been offering a lot of services. But eye problem is not confined to cataract. While that's still perhaps the most widespread phenomenon, it has many other dimensions. Sachdeva was saying how, eye problem could be related to cancer. And while practicing, I'm happy that an eye is kept under research. We are not perhaps creating new diseases. We are discovering many of the diseases which had not been known to mankind before. Since I am Minister for Research these days, I am looking at everything from the viewpoint of research. Whenever a new discovery is there, that has to be translated into service. After I became Minister for Science and Technology, I lent a new meaning to the word translation. We call it translational research. A theory or a discovery should be given the shape of a service or a product. That's what is happening in the eye field, like in other fields. Therefore, institutions which aim at providing the best possible service should keep an eye on new developing, evolving fields. And he was a brilliant student of AIIMS, and he has had friends, he has that flair, he has that fabulous flair for friendship. He knows how to discover the talent, how to cultivate the talent, how to respect the talent. Somebody who is a specialist in his own field doesn't get co-opted by an institution merely by heavy pay, no. He needs respect more than anything else. A newer person could always be more talented. He would be an expert in one field or the other. So he has that talent. Therefore, he has so many centers, 45. I'm happy this Center for Sight has come to Hyderabad. And Hyderabad, Dr. Sachdevji must have understood by now, has become hub of eye treatment. A lot of people come to Hyderabad for specialized treatment. It's a Center for Sight is among the best in the country, among the best in the world, surely among the best in Hyderabad too. Therefore, I welcome them to Hyderabad, my hometown, as I've long since been required, and they are here now. I want you to have more centers. There are a lot of poor people who suffer from visual problems. For want of ability to get them attended to, they may do with less vision. I don't think we should allow their lives to be so compromised by lack of quality. We must be able to do something to attend to them also. Since these centers are increasing in number, the cost of treatment also will surely go down. And our own government hospitals must be motivated to act as competitors to these centers in the private sector. You know. Our great Telugu poet Gurujada Apparao said, there should be no more contest for sword, but there should be contest in education and commerce. He said this more than 100 years ago. We are in 2013. He said this in 1910. So therefore, there should be competition in education, in service. The spirit of competition is part of our nature in harboring a sense of rivalry so long as directed for positive and constructive causes. And I'm sure this center will become famous not only in Hyderabad, it's already become famous, but it will be known even more throughout the country. I'm sure this center will attract patients from not only from within Andhra Pradesh, but from other centers of the country. I wish them very well. I'm grateful to them that they have invited me, and I come for the weekends anyhow. In fact, they chose a day which is convenient for me. So instead of their being grateful, I should be grateful to them. I thank them very much and I wish them luck. Thank you.